Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Australia boots from side of Australia. I've got it was sale going on, so I will show you, but before I do it I think I need different setup. Hello friends, today I'm doing AG Australia unboxing. I've got it at site AG Australia and I wanna show you how it looks on me also in the second part of video. It was on sale for only 80 bucks. So I've got it for about $80 and then I have $20 coupon code, so it was even cheaper because it was rewards from AG Australia. So they came pretty fast in this box and let's open them. The model is that I never had before because I always have either longer or shorter. This one is this kind, so it's AG Classic Mini 2 in color CPF size 10, made in China. So let's open it. Ta-da! Ta-da! Looks like this inside, and let's take out boot number 1. So yeah, it looks like this. So let's show you. Looks like this. So as you can see, it's nice gray color. It has this loop here to make it easier to remove from your, from, maybe I hold this microphone near my lips. So it looks like this. It has nice stitching here, and here it has that loop to make it easier to get it out of your feet. The bottom looks like this. Seems like it's different color than original boots because the boot is a little bit gray. Hello, camera, focus. My boot is gray. And then the boot is gray. And the stitching and sole is a little bit brownish color, as you can see, but I still like it. And they are made from sheepskin outside, of course, as all AG Australia boots. And this is size 10 because I always get them a little bit bigger because I don't like when they tight and when they have to spread. So I prefer size 10 because normally I would take some Uggs I have in size 9, but the size after they changed, when they fit better, they changed a little bit sizing. So now I think they made them more narrow. That's why I'm choosing size 10. Inside they looks like this. They have nice sheepskin, as you can see, like here. Nice fur inside, nice and fluffy. Although it's a little bit... Hope it's not fake. Because they made also changes about sheepskin inside. Like it's more artificial. Because they added some fibers. Because it says real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin Australia. Okay, maybe it's real. I hope it's real. So yeah, and I really like them. They are really cute. They can be even as house slippers maybe. And here is another one. And they have inside this thingy, but I don't like keeping it. I'm throwing it. Although I should keep to make them stiff, like keep shape, but then it's hard to take them out, you know, and put in. So yeah, that's my new Ugg boots into my Ugg collection. They look really cute and I really enjoy how they look. And I like that they're a little higher than the mini ones because I have mini here. And see, minis are very short. Like this. That's really short, as you can see. Very cute, but when it's really cold outside, when you freeze your leg, ankles freezing this. That's why I prefer to higher also. Although when it's really cold, even these ones might be a little short. But for regular winter, they are nice. I will try them on right now. Be right back. So let's try my cute Uggs. Let's try them on. One. Is it in focus? I hope. And another one. So here they are. This is how they look. Of course, I can put them like this because it looks better. I don't know if I match this blue pants. Because maybe not. Actually, I could get size 9 too. Not look bad. So yeah, this is how they look. This is how they look from back. Like so. And this is how they look from side. This is how they look from front. This is how they look from side, from back. And now I should show you how I look from upper. Be right back. Yeah. So this is how I look from up. Very nice and cute. And this is how I look in the mirror. This is me. Okay, that's it for unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.